Here's a mistake that I made in Make.com. It has to do with the MCP server. So when I wanted to connect my Make.com automations up to my AI receptionist, for example, this is using ElevenLabs, by the way. In order for this AI receptionist to be able to call upon and execute these scenarios, these automations in Make.com to check the calendar context and availability and then schedule people directly into my Google Calendar, I'm using Make.com as my MCP server to hook up those automations to ElevenLabs. And here's what was tripping me up. So MCP server, when configuring it inside of ElevenLabs or any tool for that matter, when you want to hook up Make.com to an external tool, the URL needs to be structured like this. And what was tripping me up was this make_zone. Here's my URL to my dashboard for my Make.com organization, right? I threw it in a sticky note because you can't see it on the screen right here that I'm recording. So the zone, I thought this was the zone, was just this US1. So I was copying that and pasting that in following this structure right here and just thinking, yeah, I'll just throw US1 in right there, and it wasn't working. The issue is the whole zone is actually this. It's us1.make.com for my use case. So inside of ElevenLabs for my AI agent, I've already went ahead and configured my MCP server to this tool so that it can see all of these tools right here inside of make.com, their automations. And then I went through, you'll see some of them are crossed out, and I went through and said, hey, you're not allowed to touch these. I don't want you to execute these. These are the tools that I want you to execute. The ones that I want to execute, I just toggle this on and you'll see next 30 days calendar context. And then at the bottom, these other two tools. So calendar availability, Mike's Plumbing, and schedule service call for Mike's Plumbing. All three of those are what you're seeing right here. This makes it so that whenever someone interacts with this AI agent, whether it's on the website or someone calls the phone number that's connected up to this AI receptionist, the AI receptionist in ElevenLabs is able to call upon and execute these automations inside of make.com. So again, to sum everything up, when configuring your URL, you need to make sure that the zone right here for the make zone is this entire thing right here, not just US1, for example. You copy in your MCP token right there, and then also your organization ID, which can be found right here as well inside of the URL. I really hope that helps you guys. My name is Mason. I've been doing this for 2 years now. Go ahead, give me a follow if you haven't already for more AI and automation tips.